Good morning, children. Welcome again in this physics class of current electricity. We will study about symbols used in circuit diagrams. In electric circuits, we have to show various electric components such as Leclanche cell, Bidenial cell, storage cell, plug key and rheostat, resistance box, ammeter, voltmeter and galvanometer. The symbols and function of various electric components are given below. Number 1 point, source of current. There are two types of current source. Number 1 point, alternating current. Second point, DC currents. Right? First, I will explain alternating current. It is the current in an element for which both the magnitude and direction change with time. Change with time. See this figure. V or I. T is the time. 0. Magnitude change with time, right? It is the time. With time change. The current repeats its value after a fixed time. It means that the alternating current in electric wires, bulbs, etc. flows 50 times in one direction and 15 times in opposite direction in 1 second. Since in one cycle the current becomes 0, hence the bulb lights up 100 times and off 100 times in 1 second, because that is 50 times in upper side and 50 times in lower side. So um total value will be 0, because plus 50 and minus 50, that is 0. But due to the pre-resistance of vision, it appears lighted continuously. AC is generally used in our house, right? AC is generally used in our house. AC is main AC is called as the alternating current. Second point, DC source. DC source represented by two vertical lines or unequal lengths. Another meaning of DC is the upflow of electricity that goes in one direction only is called as the direct current, right? Direct current. The longer one is marked plus to represent anode, and while the shorter is marked minus is called cathode. Plus minus. Two vertical line in this symbol is called as cell, and three vertical lines or three parallel lines combination by the plus minus is called as the battery, right? Cell and battery. Three verticals line, then it is called as the battery, and two vertical line is called as the cell, right? When a strong current is needed, either we join a number of cells together in series, cathode of one cell connected to the anode another cell to form a battery, or we use storage cell. Represent the symbol of battery using the three cells. Represent the see figure number 9.3b. An alternating current source means is represented by sine curve within the circle as shown in the figure 9.3c. Second point, key. It is used to put the current on and off in a circuit. It is just used to put the current on and off in the circuit. It is called as the key, right? It may be either plug key, a switch key or tapping key. When key is open, when key is open, plug key, second point switch key and tapping. right? When key is closed, it is represented by plug key, that is point, and switch by connected of two wires, and tapping key, that is arrow key. Third point, resistance wire or resistance box, and rehosted or variable resistance. Resistance wire is generally made of from an alloy called magnet, and it has a fixed resistance depending upon its length and thickness. It is used as standard resistance. A rheostat is a device by which resistance in a circuit can be varied continuously. It is used to adjust the magnitude of current in the circuit by changing the length of resistive wire included in the circuit as shown in the figure. Both are minus terminal, and C is the plus terminal, right? It is the magnet wire or nichrome wire. It is jockey. Jockey is the variable point. Jockey break the nichrome wire. That means current will be stopped. For example, 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 4 ampere, or 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt. It is used by the jockey, right? The resistance are mainly used in the circuit diagram, right? Fourth point, ammeter. An ammeter, an instrument used to measure the magnitude of current flowing in a circuit. An ammeter, an instrument used to measure the magnitude of current flowing in a circuit. It is joined in series in the circuit so that entire current of the circuit passes through it, right? Listen, this diagram, it is ammeter, plus minus, plus minus, right? Plus sign marked at one terminal of it indicates that current must through the terminal, right? Similarly, for the potential, that is voltmeter. A voltmeter, what is the voltmeter? Voltmeter represent the potential of the voltmeter. A voltmeter shown is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points of the circuit. It is connected across the 2 points between which potential is to be measured in a parallel to be the flow of current. It is the symbolically represented by the letter V enclosed in the circuit is shown in the figure. Similarly, listen, if resistance and potential, that is this, plus minus battery, and voltmeter, this parallel side of the resistance in the circuit diagram, right? From which we can measure the potential of the bulb, tube light, TV, refrigerator, etc. 6 point, galvanometer. A galvanometer is used when we want to detect the presence of very weak current in electric circuit, or to know only the direction of flow of current in a circuit. It does not measure the magnitude of current in a circuit. It is joined in a circuit in series just like an ammeter. It is symbolically represented by the letter capital G. It also tell the direction of the current. Similarly, plus minus This direction gives the by the help of galvanometer. गैल्वेनोमीटर से ही हम बता सकते हैं कि इसका डायरेक्शन प्लस से माइनस की तरफ होता है, प्लस से माइनस की तरफ। कैसे बता सकते हैं? प्लस से माइनस, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ गैल्वेनोमीटर। Potential voltmeters represents the potential of the circuit, of the potential of the resistance, and ammeter represent the current consumed by the consumed in the circuit, and galvanometer represents the direction of the current. Okay. 7 point load. An appliance which is connected in a circuit is called as load. It may be just as resistance, bulb, heater, etc., or combination of different electrical components. It can be represented by the symbol L. It is the bulb and heater. It is the load. Bulb and heater. Any appliance which is connected in circuit is called as the load. See this figure. It is also called as resistance. It is also called as the load. Plus minus. Okay. 8 point connecting wire. These are the wires used to connect various electrical components. They are made by highly conducting metals such as copper, aluminum because of its low cost, so that they are negligible resistance and do not change the resistance of the circuit. A connecting wire may be thick wire or several fine wires twisted together. Generally, we use thick insulated copper wire as a connecting wire, which is represented in circuit diagram simply by line. Listen, children. Three resistors are connected in series by the three wires and three resistors. This is connecting wires. It is connecting wires. Similarly, for parallel, one, two, three wires and three resistance, one, 2 and 3. It is resistance or load, and 3 connecting wire. Okay children, good day.